Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I recreated the look I wear pretty much every day, so if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. Today I'm doing my everyday look, so the look I wear 99% of the time, and I really like glowy skin, so I'm going to start off with the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Gold Light, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Next for primer, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Primer. I'm going to put that all over my face. Next I'm going to do foundation, and today I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetics Hello Happy foundation in the shade 2, and I'm going to blend that out using a Real Techniques sponge. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix concealer in the shade NC15, and then once I blend that out, I'm going to just set my eyelids and under my eyes with a little bit of powder. Next I'm going to bronze my face, and first I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in Focus on You, and then on top of that I'll go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Next I'm going to bake using my Maybelline Loose Powder, and I'm just going to take that on a Real Techniques sponge. I'm going to first start off under my eyes. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and just set the rest of my eyelid with it. And then I'm going to take the other side and do it under my cheeks. Okay, and while that's sitting, I'm actually going to wipe off whatever's on my eyelids right now. I'm just going to take that on a random fluffy brush. I think this one's from Bare Minerals. So I'm just going to wipe off whatever's left over on my eyelids. And I'm actually just going to do like my eyeshadow real quick. And for that, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to take that on a Beach Cosmetics Studio Pro number 5 brush. And this is so simple, so easy, so I'm going to take it on the brush. And then I blend it into the crease. And then take whatever's left over on the brush. Sometimes I dip back in and just run it on my eyelid. And for eyeshadow, and that's basically it. That's pretty much all I do on a regular day-to-day basis. So just blending it into the crease. And just running a little bit more over the eyelid. And sometimes I'll leave it like this, sometimes I'll build it up. It really just depends on the day, but it's really quick and simple. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. And now I'm just going to wipe away the baking powder because I don't really like it to sit for too long. So I'm going to take that same brush, I'm dropping everything, wow. Gonna take that same fluffy brush, gonna dip back into the powder, and just wipe it away. Next, I'm going to go in with blush, and today I'm going to use the Buxom Wonderlust Primer Infused Blush, and I'm going to go in with this peachy shade right here called Mykonos, and I'm going to take that on an e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Face Brush, and these are actually really pigmented, so if you get them and you use them, you want to start off with a little bit. I dip into it like twice, and then I just tap off whatever's left over. Next, I'm going to do highlighter, and today I'm actually going to mix two together. I'm going to mix my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector and Moonstone, and then my Essence Pure Nude highlighter together. I really like this combination because they're both they're pretty similar. It's just the Essence one you get a little bit more of a warmth from, but alone it's a little too dark for me, so I like to mix them together. And I'm going to do that on a Morphe 5110 brush. So first I'm going to dip into the Moonstone, and then to the Essence, and then back to the Moonstone. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows, setting spray mascara, and I'm just going to speed through it in this video because it's all the same stuff and it's all pretty simple. So I'm going to use my Brow Wiz in Auburn, my Morphe and Jeffree Star Setting Spray, and then my Tarte Amazonian Clay Mascara. Off camera, I just put a little bit of eyebrow gel in and did a small line of black liquid liner. And now I'm going to do my lashes. I'm going to use my Kiss Lashes and Tools since they're my favorite. And they just look so good with any look, but you can use whatever lashes you want. You can just leave it at mascara. But yeah, I really love the way lashes look. So I'm gonna speed through it because that's gonna be easiest for me. But first, I'm gonna go in with lash glue, and I do one lash at a time. I don't put it on both at the same time. I do one lash and one eye at a time. And so I go in with the House of Lashes glue in the white or clear color. I found that this is the best lash glue. It stays on all day. I've cried in it before. My lashes have stayed on. It's one of the best, and it's only like $8 or $9, so it's really good. So I'm gonna put a small amount of that on my lash band, and then I just stick it on my eye, and I'll take like a pair of tweezers or my finger, and if it's like lifting up in corners, I just press it down. Okay, so there's the lashes on. I'm just gonna take my hair out of these clips. Hopefully I don't look too crazy. But usually for the eyes, I just leave it like that. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of the bronzer underneath. Don't think I'm going to today. Sometimes I'll do mascara on the bottom lashes. It's really just whatever I feel like that day. But usually I just leave it like this with just the lashes and the bronzer on the top. So now off camera, I'm just gonna do a little touch ups to my face, like a little bit more bronzer, highlighter, maybe a little bit more blush, and then I'll be right back to finish off the look. Okay, so I'm gonna finish with the lips. Usually for this look, I use mainly lip gloss. Like I usually use the Fenty glosses because they don't have a lot of pigment to them, and I really like that. Sometimes I'll do a lipstick. I have a few MAC lipsticks I like to use with this look. You can do whatever kind of lip you want. Today, gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Butterscotch. It's a really pretty gloss color, and their glosses are actually really nice because they're pretty pigmented, almost like a really creamy lipstick just in a liquid form. So I'm just gonna put that on and then we'll be done. Okay, everybody, so here is the finished look. It's really pretty and natural, really simple and really easy to do. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.